Hello, welcome to Vcore LED family. This is Mary from Vcore LED Displays. Today, I will introduce transparent LED wall to you. First of all, let's have an overview to the products. Transparent LED is designed for rental fees or indoor-outdoor application. It's 500 by 1000 mm die-casting aluminum cabinet. Now, let's have a look about the transparent screen advantage. First of all, fancy slim cabinet design. Lightweight 5.2 kgs only per panel. Thickness is only 30 mm. This made the screen easy installation and save the space. Secondly, high transparency glass materials. Transparency up to 82% to 95%. Black color and white color frame to maintain the glasses. Best decoration and advertising window panels for windows. Thirdly, fast installation fits for multiple stage rental using. From via easy maintenance 100%. Can keep inside or outside of windows as required. Create open view in large space indoors and more optional for installations. What's more, CT transparent series screen size and shape can be customized. Models can customize at any size, and curved flow make the screen can join curved flow and wave design. Last but not the end, intensity structure to prevent the collision and damage. High precision waterproof to promise the screen's long working life. CT transparent series includes P2.6, 3.9, 5.2, 10.4, 15.6 indoor and outdoor models. All in all, if you like these products, please feel free to consult us through LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms. We will always welcome your inquiry anytime. Thank you.